Hello guys, hi. So lately you were asking me how works Coravin and how you can use it. I created a little video so you can see and know and use it.
Look at me ballin'. 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 Look at me ballin'.
So here is your Coravin, that's the device. Here you go, that's how it looks like. You need your wine, so here are a couple of examples that we open by Coravin. Some of them more expensive than others, but all of them expensive enough, so we need to open them with Coravin. Now, not gonna open this one, we're gonna open this one, or pour a glass. You need your glass, there you go. You need your Coravin. Before you start, you check if the gas is inside, and also you will be able to cleanse it up a little bit. So you press this button over here, the little thingy. You hear the noise, that means the gas went away, so just a little psst. Then you place your Coravin on top. There's a clip, so it clips on the top of the bottle, so it doesn't wiggle, doesn't move, but doesn't mean that it's gonna hold the bottle. All right, now there is the needle. You hold your bottle, or you hold by a clip, press it gently. Be careful if it's any weird cork, you need regular type of cork. Press it, hop, to the end, works, is there. Now take your glass, turn the device, press, and let it go. More you press, more wine is gonna go. Don't press too much because you don't want to use too much gas. Once you think it's enough, up, stops automatically. That's it. You want to take out the Coravin, there is a little handle, just hold it, up, done. Keep the bottle for a moment in straight position so the cork can firmly close. If not, if you lay it down like this, it might drip from here, so let it seal. That's it, put to the fridge, good to go. That's all, Coravin. Enjoy the wine, or let the guests enjoy the wine. So what actually Coravin is and why we use it, why it's so handy. So basically you can open or pour a glass of expensive bottle of wine without opening it. There is some debate, but basically once you pour a glass, the bottle can stay in the fridge for a couple more months, maybe a year, and the wine is supposed to taste exactly the same or very similar. So the whole device, you have the clip which holds on the bottle, you have the needle which goes into through the cork into the wine bottle and allows the wine go through it, and you have you have a capsule. Wait a second. And you have a capsule with argon gas inside. Argon gas doesn't interfere with the wine, so doesn't make any changes to wine, but it's a little bit heavier than air, so basically goes lower than air. So if there is any oxygen that by accident enters the bottle, the argon gas is going to be on the bottom of the bottle, separating the oxygen from the wine and giving like a protective coating. Even if you turn the bottle gravity, so the argon gas is going to be still separating oxygen from the wine, so the wine not going to go oxidized. And the capsules finish after some time, so when you need to finish the capsule or you finish while you're pouring, you just unscrew this, it goes to part, throw away the old capsule, take the new one, put inside, screw it back, test it, should be good to go. Okay, one note, be careful when you're gonna use Coravin for any wine, even if you have Coravin at home or anywhere else you're gonna be working. Make sure that the corks are like a regular full cork. That would be the best ideal situation. So those type of corks, okay? So make sure it's something like this, not, let's say, not something like that. It can work, but also can happen that the cork doesn't seal properly, or the Coravin doesn't go through it, or if you say any other type of plastic corks, whatever, glass stuff, the metal capsule, don't go with Coravin. Then you're gonna break the needle, and this thing is very, 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 very expensive. So if you break the needle, first of all, you're not gonna put the wine, and second, it's very expensive to rebuy it. Don't break it. Don't push it. If you see the Coravin, if you place it, you try to push, you see it doesn't go, there is anything blocking, don't use too much force. Good luck, have a nice service. If you have any questions, just come to me, let me know, and I can show you more, okay? Good luck, enjoy your wine. Cheers. Na zdrowie. Ciao. A nice service and good luck, and if you have any other questions, please let me know, okay?